Weather and good news, folks. We are looking at temperatures that are going to continue very mild for this time of year.
I'll take it.
In fact, you could be looking at record January, the way things are heading out.
So what's
A warm
mild? What's
record?
mild?
Well, the normal high is 1 above, and we've been 5 or 6 degrees above.
Oh, okay.
So that's really good because Daryl will tell you we can get to 40 below this time of year very easily.
I'm not complaining.
Yeah. Speaking of numbers, let's go out to the airport and see what's happening out there. It's 6 below currently. Our high today was 3 above. The record low, 55 below in 1975. Record high, 33 in 1907. Sunrise this morning was at 10:45. Sunset at 3:13 this afternoon, giving us 4 hours, 28 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 4 minutes from yesterday. And our photograph for tonight, this one's sent in by Bill Brophy. We'll call it the great one because it is the great one in the background there. Mount McKinley. A beautiful shot from Bill. And if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at ktvf11.com. Unfortunately, we have another air quality alert in effect for Fairbanks. Unhealthy conditions right now, but North Pole is unhealthy for sensitive groups, and that is good until 12 noon tomorrow. Here's our satellite picture today. As you can see, we're looking at an area of low pressure spinning around in the Gulf of Alaska. This area of low pressure continuing to bring the warm air from the south. Most of the clouds banking up against the Alaska range, so no precipitation in our neck of the woods, but there is some clouds and showers that might possibly move into the picture by tomorrow. Across the rest of the state today, we have some showers over the Juneau area, a little bit of rain shower activity. Elsewhere, we have snow showers on the north slope at Barrow, and a little bit of cloudiness up and down the west coast. Not too bad at Fort Yukon, 10 degrees above zero. How about that in Fort Yukon? Lower 48 weather, more rain across the Pacific Northwest. Skies have cleared out over the southwest. More rain developing across Texas. We'll tell you about that a little bit over the Gulf Coast states. So we have some rain showers too. Nice weather over the northeast. Now the big news is this storm system is starting to take shape over the southwest. That's going to be becoming a very potent weather maker. More rain across the Pacific Northwest. This storm will bring strong storms to Texas tomorrow. Heavier rain over the East Texas side. And the overall picture calling for the jet stream to take a big dive down to the southwest, pulling all that cold air in from Canada across the northern Rockies. But warm temperatures will continue across the southern sections of the country. Back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Isolated snow in Barrow, partly cloudy for Nome, and flurries expected at Fort Yukon, the high 5 below at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll see more clouds moving in with scattered snow showers developing for Fairbanks and Healy. Over the southeast sections, again, mixed rain and snow for Juneau and Ketchikan, so kind of a wet, sloppy forecast there. Over to the southwest, snow showers for Cold Bay and Bethel with partly cloudy skies at Kodiak. And in the south central sections, partly cloudy at Anchorage and Homer, but snow is likely once again for Valdez. It is time once again for our Kids Weather Watch, and this week we are talking one day for our weather fact. 1988, 27 inches of snow fell over parts of South Carolina. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley for helping our kids' weather. And tomorrow we will start it all back up again with North Pole Elementary being our guest for the evening. Here's our forecast for the remainder of the night. 6 below, increasing clouds through the night, not as cold as it has been. Tomorrow's forecast, 4 degrees above, cloudy with snow showers developing. That will continue in the 5-day outlook, as you can see here, looking at scattered snow shower activity right on through most of the 5-day period. And temperatures, again, continuing above normal, 5 degrees each day. Overnight lows also warmer than they should be. They should be 16 below, but look at the overnight lows right around 0 to the single digits below 0. And that's a darn sight better than it could be this time of year. Like I said, we're heading toward a possible record January.
Yeah, not too terrible, huh?